Hello friends, today I am going to unbox new improved clean and clear foaming face wash. I have brought it from amazon.in. It is packed in hard cardboard casing so that the contents may not leak out. Here it is written Amazon Pay and there is the bar code, and here it is written Amazon Prime and there is barcode, and it is tightly sealed from all sides, and here it is written amazon.in, and here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. And now I am ripping it open. I have taken out my knife and now I am cutting it through a little bit more, and the product will be out. The MRP of the product is rupees 155 INR, but I purchased it for rupees 120 INR. It has a volume of 150 ml. And here, this is the clean and clear foaming face wash. It is packed in bubble foam case so that any damage to the content may not occur during seepage. And here I have kept it aside, and here this is the bill sent by Amazon and it is written amazon.in, and here I have kept aside the bill, and this is the clean and clear face wash. Nothing more inside the box. I have kept that aside. Clean and clear foaming face wash is manufactured by Johnson and Johnson. It comes in 150 ml pack. Clean and clear foaming face wash is specially designed for young skin to remove excess oil, while its special ingredients helps to prevent pimples. And this is on the back side. You can see the details. The liquid formula cleanses deep without causing dryness, and it is gentle enough to use it every day for clean and clear skin that glows from within. Clean and clear foaming face wash is specially designed to cleanse thoroughly and to remove excess oil. It is recommended for those who want to prevent oily sign and pimples. Its special ingredients cleanses deep enough without causing dryness, and it is gentle enough to remove excess oil and dirt and germs that cause pimples, and it is gentle enough to use every day for clean and clear skin that glows. And here now I have opened the pack, and it comes in a 150 ml pack, and it looks very nice and it has a nice scent. Its rich foam cleanses and removes dirt without causing dryness to your skin. It is specially designed to clean skin thoroughly and help to prevent common skin problems which you encounter every day, whether you are at work or at home. It can be used by both men and women alike, and it leaves your skin feeling clean and beautifully clear. Every time you feel your skin is getting oily and you worry that others might see it too, and when you see that oiliness keeps coming back and you end up feeling even worse, that is where clean and clear foaming face wash comes in with a special formula, and that helps you to look oil free and be always ready and handily available. The surfactant based formulation cleanses oil and dirt, while glycerin moisturizes your skin to prevent dryness. It contains effective pimple fighting ingredients which prevent a building up of excess oil, pimples and blackheads. It has a oil free formulation and hence does not clog your pores. The oil free face wash comes in a light golden plastic bottle with purple screw cap. It is a really very transparent packing, and the cap is secure enough to make secure packing so that there is no spilling of the product. The face wash is almost a clean gel and it has a brilliant running consistency. It is very refreshing, which gives you a kick to start your day. It is sturdy and very easy to use and travel friendly packing that leaves the skin really clean for long, and it is also very affordable. You have to apply a small amount on the wet palm and work into rich lather. Then you have to gently massage onto your face, avoiding eye area, and rinse off thoroughly and use twice daily for the skin that is clean and clear and beautiful and that glows naturally. With elevated amount of pollutants in the air, skin issues have become a common occurrence, what with acne and clogged pores being the most apparent and recurrent skin problems of the Indian skin types. Having to suffer from acne breakouts, oily skin or other skin issues can be an incredibly daunting task, especially when they end up in becoming a chronic predicament. Because of the frequency with which these problems might affect you, you might end up in facing legitimate psychological issues as well, such as lack of self-esteem and self-confidence. And that is where the clean and clear face wash comes into picture. It helps in effortlessly scrubbing these skin issues and in a most effective, simple and cost effective way. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.